Hi guys, it's Game Boy here, and something surprising when I went outside. So subscribe, leave a comment down below, and a thumbs up. And let me see, it's still there. No, go. My Max, my dog. He has killed a possum. He killed a possum. I don't know, he might die. I don't know that, but I hope not. But if he will, I don't know what to do. Here we go. Oh, that's disgusting. It smells. Oh God, that's a possum. You can see the insides. Oh, it smells. Oh. Max, stop! So I have to put this in my YouTube channel. Yeah, I think it's. Some of y'all think that will be fake, but it's not. But it smells. Oh, that stunk. I don't know if my girl could die. I don't know if he ate. I don't know what the other half is. I guess that's the only. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I know what that other half is. Okay. Okay. Well, that's all for today. So subscribe, leave that like, and comment down below. Yeah, if my dog is an eater or a killer. Okay, bye.